Let's talk about the use of the word rescue. The most important question is, does this word empower survivors? The word rescue can often imply that somebody is being acted on instead of that they are acting. Often, choosing to use a different word than rescue can actually be a part of trauma-informed care, because what it's doing is it's restoring agency to survivors of trafficking who have not always been granted the agency that they deserve. There are only 3 reasons that we would ever use the word rescue, and one is clarity. A lot of law enforcement around the world understand the word rescue to describe the act of intervening in an active trafficking situation. We might sometimes use that word because it communicates to them. The second reason is urgency. A lot of the time, using that word can very quickly convey urgency in a way that perhaps a more technical definition could not. The third reason is cultural. We are primarily an organization that operates in Thailand and India and the Philippines and Latin America and Brazil, all of which have their own languages, and sometimes rescue can be helpful as a word to surpass language barriers more easily. The power imbalances also look very differently in each of these countries, and so we try and be sensitive to describe each of them differently. And there are some country and cultural contexts in which the word rescue might be more appropriate than others. The biggest consideration when deciding what word to use is, what words do survivors use to describe their own experience? However they describe their experience is how we want to describe their experience. We want to make sure to communicate that it's an ongoing communal act of courage in which the most important participant is not the Exodus Road, it's the survivor.